You got the red dot?
Yeah.
I'm just coming into Dursley, Steve, and I'm not, just wind the window up to get rid of some of the noise. So, a few years, oh dear, that's a wide load. Hopefully it doesn't come out too big on the screen. That's been pedestrian only for years, I can't remember when. Swimming pool on the left. And Sainsbury's in front of us. I think it's about 20 years since you've seen Dursley. A lot of it's still the same. For some reason they got 3 hardware shops. We haven't got one in Stroud now. Oh, it's Wilkinson's are new. They've got stuff in there. Market, can't even remember what market day it is. What day market day is. Mexican tapas.
Oh, love that.
I don't think this part's changed. Oh yeah, this roundabout's new. This junction's new. That road's new, I think. Lister Road. I don't think the pub's changed. Shop been there for years. Highfield approach. Next turning right should be your old factory. No, that's not it. Let's be the next one. Just a quick look around at the pond. Looks like executive style housing. Caswell Mead.
Oh.
I'm going to just jump out back, just film now. Film the canal, no, the pond. Right, I'll do it. Ooh, yeah, sorry, bit of a wobble on. This is a bit I really wanted to show you. Oh, panning too fast, not panning, zooming too fast. few changes. A bit tired out after a particularly long squawk. Backache's having her photograph taken. See if I can sneak up on her. No, she just spotted the camera. Oh dear. Well, that's about it. That's your old factory.